A meow? Yeah. A meow. You're so pretty, Mrs. Pop. Yeah. Yeah. You okay? Uh-oh. Come on, guys. It's been 5 years, nearly. He's waiting impatiently for the dog walker. Aren't you? Are you waiting impatiently for the dog walker to come take it out? Yeah. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, you're so cute. You're so fluffy. So fluff. So fluff. You're so cute. You got water all over the floor. You're the best. I think Enzo got fed up with me asking him to buy a bag of pasta a week, so he brought home 6 kilos of pasta last night. Which is fair enough. I mean, they should last us a while, but we had one of them, and this still remains, and that lasted us 3 weeks. So how cute is that? Some nice face brushes to paint faces with. This is my Wednesday afternoon after work, and Mrs. Pops, oh big yawns, Mrs. Pops is just here. Don't bite me, please. She's gonna bite me in a minute. Oh. All right. Oh. Hey, come here. This way, Babs, this way. No, not that way. Come on. Meow. Wowza Lotus. Hello, happy Friday. We're going to ignore this monstrosity on my lip. I had spots, decided to pick him, now I've made a blister. Love that for me, I've been trying to get rid of it, but it's just not happening. And so I've not wanted to leave the house for a few days, but I've just been to Tesco and got like a top-up shop. The washing machine is about to spin, but this is everything I got. Chips, croissant, mint ice cream, pizzas for tea tonight because I refused to cook Friday to Monday. Kit Kats, some fruit, Pepsi Max, limes, they had no Coke Zero, and some crisps. Washing machine because this hits my head. Where's that stick? Where's the stick? You're gonna go get me a stick? Go on then. That is for Lorenzo to sort. I don't do the bins. I am attempting to fix this. It says that you have to mash it up even more to make it really fine and then put rubbing alcohol in it. This is basically the same as rubbing alcohol, so well, it looks promising. It says you have to pat it down with this, so I have. So we're gonna leave it until tomorrow. Enzo dropped me off a coffee and honestly, it's needed. I am knackered. I've done 3 clients. I've got 1 more. I'm so tired. Where you taking me? Where are we going?
To a bar. You get pissed and I'll get
So. This is a look, isn't it? Good morning, it's Sunday. I need to like stop sitting like this. I need to sort my posture out and like sit like this because it really hurts. My shoulders are in agony. But it's Sunday. I don't know what we've got planned today. I need to dry my hair, I've just showered. And for once I'm not actually wearing a black top and jeans, I'm wearing a white top, a cardigan and jeans, and it's raining. We were gonna go racing at Donington, but the weather's just it's a bit crap and I don't wanna walk around Donington racetrack when it's like I prefer Alton Park to Donington when we go to like watch racing, because Donington it's just like you have to walk for miles to go and see like the cars and stuff. So I don't think we're going to do that, but I need to post some vintage parcels, walk Cooper, and then whatever Enzo wants to do. Should we get him one? This is the most random food shop. I got these from Holland and Barrett. I want to make blueberry matches if I can. I've never tried matching. £7.50 though, that's a joke. And we're gonna have breakfast for dinner. Hence the eggs and meaty bits. And I'm gonna try this crumble dupe. But yeah, bit of a random shop. That was a big yawn, wasn't it? Wanna go outside? Come on then. What? What? Oh, that was a big meow. What's wrong? Enzo got boxes and socks from tkmaxx and hair gel from Boots. What's a Sunday? Meow. that by hand, but I do them on the machine.
Yeah.
So that's not just hand it all.
So,
It will come out in the wash like over time, but I can try.
it's fine. I mean, I was just going to buy a patch and just put a patch in it.
I'll sew it. Okay.
They didn't wash it anyway. I forgot about
Right. You go take El Dog around, I will El Cook. What type of eggs do you want?
it. Hey, fine.
Scrambled, fried.
Fried, but I don't like a yolk running.
How many brands?
Fast is this? Sit on.
Wild Sunday vibes. Watching Selling Sunset.